In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cross out values with this format trick here in Google Sheets. So you're working on a spreadsheet and you just want to cross out some of the values within your data. Here's how to do it. So I have this example right here. I have the book title, genre, borrower's name, checkout date, due date, and status. So what I want to do is when the status for this data is already checked out, I want the entire row to be crossed out. How do I do that? Well, I can simply select that row, then click on Strikethrough right here on the toolbar. Click on it, and there you have it. I've successfully crossed out the values within that row that says checked out on the status. So I want to do the same thing with the rest of my data. So again, to do that, select your row or the range that you want to cross out. Click on the Strikethrough tool here in the toolbar, and there you have it. So that is a quick way of formatting your data and crossing them out with the Strikethrough tool here in Google Sheets. So again, select the range, click on Strikethrough. There you have it, and that's how you're going to do it. Now, if for some reason you don't see your Strikethrough tool here in the toolbar, just go to Format here in the menu bar, select Text, and you will see Strikethrough right here. You also have your keyboard shortcut, which is your Alt, Shift, and 5. So let me do this one right here. There you go. And for the last example, I'm just going to select that, then try out the keyboard shortcut of Alt, Shift, and 5. And there you have it. It totally worked. So that's going to be how you're going to cross out your values within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.